Hey Jay,
Hello, Matt.
today we are going to chat about how to connect ideas.
Cool.
Hey Jay, I heard the weather this weekend is going to be perfect. What are you going to do?
Well, I think I'm going to drive out to the mountains and I'll go for a hike.
But what if it rains?
If it rains, then I think I'll see a movie or I'll try a new restaurant.
That does sound great. And so do your conjunctions.
Oh, yeah?
Let me show you. If you want to connect ideas or clauses, you can use a type of connector called a conjunction, like but, and, or.
What's a clause?
That's just a fancy word for a subject and a verb together,
Okay.
plus any other information attached to them. So, in your sentence, I'll see a movie or I'll try a new restaurant, the first clause is I'll see a movie. The subject is I, and the verb is will see.
Okay, I've got it. Now, can I use conjunctions to connect other things besides clauses?
Sure, they're very flexible little words. You can use them to connect nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and even verbs too.
Okay.
So, I like pizza, that's a noun, and,
Okay, that's your conjunction.
yeah, pasta, and then you squish them together.
Right. So you like pizza, noun, and conjunction, pasta, another noun.
Yeah. Okay, let's do another one. I want a coat that is cheap. What's that?
Adjective.
Good. But there's our conjunction again. And then let's say warm. I want a coat that is cheap, but warm.
So two adjectives, one conjunction.
Yeah.
Cool.
Another?
Sure.
She always talks too loudly or too quietly. Now, here we've got two adverbs. So, loudly, quietly. And, or would be our,
Conjunction.
yeah. So, she always talks too loudly or too quietly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got that one.
So, final one, we'll try verbs this time. They will run and cycle in the race.
Okay, run and cycle. Right.
Yeah,
Two
run.
verbs.
Cycle. They will run and cycle in the race.
Got it. Okay. Can I use these conjunctions at the beginning of a sentence? Like, but I want to go home.
Yeah, that's okay in speaking, but in writing, you probably shouldn't do that. Writing is a little more formal and has a few more rules.
Okay, I think I've got it.
So today, we learned how to connect ideas using conjunctions.
Cool. So, Matt, what are you going to do this weekend?
Well, I'm pretty tired, but I do want to go to the beach. I just want to relax this weekend, really.
Fair enough. And
What about this last conjunction?
what about this last conjunction?
Well,
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.